for, I guess, I'm not even sure, I lost count how many days it's been. I need a haircut. Sure. It's been maybe 2 weeks. I want to say 3 weeks. Back when we had the issue with the lug nuts and the broken lug nuts and the wheel studs, I tried to drill them out, as you can see in the previous videos, which I would then put in. I was making a separate vlog for that, which turned out to be a whole mess. I was able to drill the wheel studs to a certain extent, but nothing was happening. So my brother came. He flew out for my birthday, and we ended up just taking the car to Kissimmee to a shop that I was referred to, and they were able to get the wheel studs and broken lug nuts out. I replaced them, put some APR wheel studs on the wheels. Some APR wheel studs on the hub front end, not the rear end. So yeah, that's done. Now you may say, what's the next step? Well, actually the car is already out, it's running. I did mention that the speed sensor bolt did break on me on the passenger side, so that's just hanging. It's not mechanically doing anything to the car, so I'm not stressing it as much. What else? The wheels did get burnt. They're brand new and did get burnt, so it is very disappointing, very frustrating. And yeah, sad news is I decided to sell the car. The car is up for sale right now. I had it up for $9K. Thought it was a little bit too much with all the issues not all of the issues. There's 22 issues, and it's not mechanically doing anything to the car. So I dropped down the price to $7,500, and I think that's a fair price for what you're getting out of the car. I have yet to kind of abuse the car. Everything that's on the car is less than 100 miles. You guys can see on my channel, I've been working on this car for about a year. Marked the year probably September, so October is the first time it's out with all the modifications, and I've driven it less than 100 miles in total. So I did make the decision with my brother and my wife to kind of get rid of the car. I'm gonna move on to bigger things, a newer vehicle. This was very exhausting. Although I loved the build, it was just very exhausting to kind of start from ground up. I think I should kind of push that to the side later on when I want to do a build again. I'm just gonna move on to a newer vehicle where I can actually use the car and go to A to B. I may have a job that's gonna be on site. I'm not sure yet, and I will need that car to kind of be reliable 24/7. So more to come on that new vehicle. I'm not sure what's happening yet. I need this car sold before I start making plans, because this is gonna be my main source of the, I guess, funds that's gonna involve the new vehicle. But yeah, if you guys are interested, the car is up for sale. It's in Florida, Central Florida, near Orlando. You can hit me up, YouTube, IG at Snapshot, the SNVPSHOT. Hit me up there, find me on Facebook, and you can find the car on Facebook. So yeah, that's the end of this era. Might get an IS300 later on, who knows. Just decided to kind of move on from it. So if you guys have any questions, drop them down in the comments, and we will see where we go from here. It's been a great run, and we will show you what's the next vehicle to come. And updates on that Civic might get traded in. It's around 75K miles now, so we think it's about that time to get rid of it before the market crashes and everything. So we're gonna try to get rid of that. So there's no updates on that car. I was gonna do something with that car, and we was driving it too much to the point where I was just like, it's not worth it right now anymore. So we're gonna swap out the BCs, put the stock suspension. BCs are gonna go up for sale. I've been saying it for so long that they're gonna go up for sale, and I just never had the time to swap the suspension. So now I'm gonna try to do that once I get rid of this car, and then try to swap it, and it should be back to stock because that's the only modification it has. I'm lying. The CarPlay is also gonna get removed. That's also gonna go up for sale. So if you guys want it, let me know, and I'll put it to the side for you. Might sell it for 300 with the whole kit, harness, and the whole display and everything. Just take it for 300. BCs are gonna go up for sale for like about probably 500, or offer me whatever, and we'll work something out. I would prefer in Florida. We can meet up. I don't want to ship them. It's too expensive to ship. But yeah, we'll see where we go from there. And thank you guys for tuning in. That's the update. And we're gonna drop some merch for the winter. This is one of the hoodies, but this is a Halloween hoodie from like 2020 or 2019. I'm gonna drop some new hoodies soon, so stay tuned for that. And catch us on evolvefam.us. Catch us on Instagram at evolve.tm. And yeah, see you guys next time.